Good evening, everyone. This is Sukriti Relly. I am your mindset and manifestation coach. I hope you are doing well, and today I am here with the most important topic of manifestation, which is how to do visualization. A lot of people struggle while doing manifestation through visualization. They are not in a place where they can visualize what exactly they desire, and there are multiple reasons for that. So, regarding visualization, I want to tell you some important facts. For people who are not in a place to visualize, I want to tell you that whenever you close your eyes, you first have to focus on your breathing. Make sure that you are calm. When you calm yourself, do the breath work. When you calm yourself, close your eyes and focus on your third eye. Guys, third eye is the pathway to go into a different dimension. When you will focus on your third eye, you will experience a sensation here and sometimes here also. That means the pathway is opening to a different dimension and you are now entering into a different dimension. When you visualize what do you want to experience right now. Forget about how you're going to manifest it in future. Create that scene wherein you are the protagonist of that particular reality and you want to experience it. You want to experience it, you are thinking about it, but don't forget that you have to add your emotions in those visualization also. As I always say, feeling is the secret to manifest. When you feel happy about your visualization, when you feel happy experiencing something in a different dimension, you will attract it faster than you desire. A lot of people who struggle to visualize don't understand that they are not able to visualize because they are thinking that this is something that they will manifest in future. If you will enter into a dimension with the mindset that this is something that you will create into the future, you will never be able to visualize it and manifest it. So whenever you are entering into a new dimension, you actually have to train your mind that this is something which is actually happening in your life, which is actually manifesting in your life right now. When you are manifesting it, you won't think that how you would feel if it had happened probably tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or probably after a month. You have to feel as if it is manifesting right now. And when you keep visualizing every day, even for 5 minutes, you will start carrying that energy, you will start carrying that emotion as in energy in motion. You are in the vibrational alignment with your desires. You tell the universe that you are very much clear about manifesting it into your 3D reality. By 3D, I mean current reality. That way you will start rejecting your current reality and you will not settle for anything less than you desire. Again, I am reiterating, it is very important that whenever you are visualizing something which is actually happening right now. The past does not exist in the visualization, the future does not exist in the visualization. It is in that moment. You have chosen this reality and you are experiencing it. You are happy that you manifested it. When your subconscious mind knows that this is something that is going to happen in the future, you are also going to feel as if something is going to happen in the future. And when you feel as in something is going to happen in the future, in that particular moment of visualization, you will feel the lack of it. And when you feel the lack of it, you will attract more lack in your life. So it's very important that whenever you are visualizing, you are actually thinking that it is actually happening right now. This is something that a lot of people miss on while visualizing, and that is why they are not in a place to visualize and manifest through visualization. Second most important point is, while doing the visualization, make sure that you are having an inner conversation with yourself. Ask yourself questions. As in, let's say I want to manifest a car, and trust me, I'm gonna manifest a car really soon, because this example comes in automatically in every video. Anyways, coming back to the point, let's say I want to manifest a car. When I am visualizing, I will ask myself, how would you feel when you will get the keys of the car? I'm gonna feel satisfied, content. How would you pose when the manager of that showroom is going to give you that big key and gonna get a picture with you? I'm gonna feel excited. How are you going to feel when you will first drive the car? I will pay gratitude to the universe. Where will you go first while driving that car? I will go to my favorite place, and I'm gonna share this happiness with my favorite person. Feel these emotions for some time. And when you actually feel that, yes, now I am content, just open your eyes and come back to the present moment. And once you do the visualization and come back to the present moment, make sure, be aware that you are not thinking that you don't have it right now. You don't keep seeing where is the manifestation, because that ways you will again be pushing back the manifestation and it will delay. Make sure that when you are coming back to 3D, the current reality, you are happy. You know that it is already done in the parallel universe, and now you're gonna get it. Nothing can stop it from manifesting. And a lot of people ask me, what is the right time to visualize? See, time is just an illusion in manifestation, so you can visualize any time. But make sure that whenever you're visualizing, you are in a silent space. You are at a place where nobody is disturbing you. But if you manifest, if you visualize right before going to your bed, right before sleeping, that's the best time, because at that time you just change your state. Consciously, unconsciously, you sleep and you become in that, you actually carry those emotions with you in a different dimension, and when you wake up the next morning, you will be happy. So the right time, according to me, would be before sleeping. But even if you don't get time while doing that, or you forget doing that, don't panic, don't get anxious. You can do it any time of the day. And doing visualization for 5 minutes is enough for the day. I hope you like this video, and if you have any queries, just drop in the comment. I will be happy to answer those questions. If in case you like this video, which I am sure you have liked it, please like, share and comment. If you're new here, just subscribe the channel and show me your support. I will be coming back with more such videos. If you're looking forward to get one-on-one coaching, the details are mentioned in the description box, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.